how do you measure something invisible? Like confidence or connection or change. In solution-focused therapy, we use a deceptively simple tool to do just that. It's called the scaling question, and it's a core method for tracking progress, building motivation, and inviting reflection. The basic form is this. On a scale from 0 to 10, where 0 means the problem is at its worst, and 10 means the problem is completely solved, where are you today? That's it. Just a number, but it opens a world of insight. Scaling questions do three things at once. First, they give us a snapshot of the client's current state. Right? They help the therapist understand how the client is experiencing their situation in this moment. Second, they create a language of movement. If a client says they're at a 3 and last week they were at a 2, that's progress. Even a small shift is meaningful. It becomes something to explore, reinforce, and celebrate. Third, scaling questions help set goals and direction. Let's say you're at a 3 today. What would a 4 look like? What would you notice if you were at a 6? These questions help clients define what improvement looks like in real, observable terms. And that's powerful, because once they can describe it, they can start building it. Scaling questions are incredibly versatile. You can ask about anxiety, motivation, hope, commitment, trust, anything that's difficult to quantify. They help turn the abstract into something concrete. They help clients externalize their experience in a way that's non-judgmental and manageable. They're also empowering. If a client says, "I'm at a 3, we don't ask, "Why so low?" We ask, "Why not a 2? What helped you reach a 3 instead of staying at 1? This reframes the conversation from deficit to strength. It highlights what the client is already doing right and shows them they're already on the path forward. Scaling can also be used collaboratively. Where do you think your partner would say you are on the scale? Where would you like to be by next week? It invites shared vision and accountability. And here's the best part. There's no pressure to be at a 10. Progress is always defined by the client. Even going from a 3 to a 3.1 is worth exploring. In a fast-moving world, clients often don't realize they're improving. Scaling gives them a tool to see the change and believe in it. So ask it. Ask it regularly. Ask it with curiosity, not expectation. Because with every scale, you're not just measuring progress, you're helping the client realize they've already begun.